My Uline nugget ice maker has error code P1.
When did you last replace your Uline ice maker's water filter? How old is the ice maker?
Just installed a few weeks ago.
How long has this been going on with your Uline ice maker? What have you tried so far?
Today.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, my name is to hear you are having a problem. The P1 code indicates you have a clogged drain line or the drain pump is not working. First, locate the drain in the bottom of the unit. Pour some hot water into the drain and ensure it is draining. If it is draining, check to see if your unit has a pump. If it does, fill the container until it begins to drain. If the line is clear and the pump does not come on, then you will need to troubleshoot the pump AC. Hope this helps.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.